Hi, my name is Gary Finelli and I'm the president of Frank Toyota, and I've been here for 40 years. Our family history goes back for over 100 years of doing business in San Diego. My father-in-law Frank and his brother Felice started the Toyota business back in 1965. And they told us a few critical things to the younger generation. Number one, make sure you take great care of your customers. Number two, take care of your employees. And always, number three, give back to your community.
Jackie Robinson Family YMCA is excited to have 200 basketballs for March Madness from Frank Toyota. These basketballs are going to get a lot of mileage here, and I know our kids will be joining teams, not gangs. We want to thank Frank Toyota for this generous contribution, and we hope that all the youngsters now will have the ability to play basketball because they have a ball in their hands. Thank you so much. And kids, like those balls?
My name is Garrett Mercer. I've been at Frank Toyota 10 years now. Two of my favorite things is, as a family-owned dealership, all the employees here are like one big family. You know, this is the best team we've ever had. We treat each other with respect. Teamwork is part of our secret success here at Frank Toyota. The second thing would be the longevity of our customers. And what I mean by that is, you know, being here 10 years, I've sold many customers vehicles, and now we're helping their kids get in vehicles and other family members. A big portion of our business is repeat and referral business, and a lot of that has to do with our involvement in the community. And we don't want to just sell you one car. We want to sell you cars for life and your family members and your friends. And you do that by working together with a strong team and taking care of the community.
Hi, I'm Holly Young, and I've worked here for 21 years. What I love about Frank Toyota is the family atmosphere. Last year I attended the 20-year dinner. They have a special dinner where they honor employees who have been here 20 years and longer. It was really fun, and we all really had a good time. One of my favorite things that Frank Toyota puts on every single year is we have a lunch for the Jackie Robinson YMCA at Christmas time. The kids come and eat, and we give them gifts, and they open them all up. We have Santa and Mrs. Claus.
Enjoy.
Hi, I'm Monica Salem, Marketing Director at Frank Toyota, and I started working here part-time in 1999, full-time since 2003. What makes Frank Toyota the best in town is really, it's the impact that we have on our community. You know, we do a lot within our community with Big Brothers Big Sisters, with Rady Children's Hospital that touches near and dear to my heart because they saved my daughter's life.
We are the best in town because of our people, because of our commitment to Toyota, because of our commitment to our local community.
Everybody has a choice, and they can go to a lot of Toyota stores. But our secret sauce is really our employees. That's what makes a difference. 10% of our population has been here over 20 years. To their testament, that's the type of service customers expect. Our turnover is extremely low. The person you're dealing with right now, very good chances are within a year you're going to have the very same person. So that consistency and longevity, you really can't put a price tag on it. I'd like to thank Toyota for putting this event on, the best in town, because we and our people and our staff spend a lot of time in the dealership. In fact, probably more time in the dealership than we do at our homes. And it just reflects on how hard our team works to make our dealership work and how hard they work to make sure the customer experience is the best that we can provide. So I want to thank Toyota and everybody associated with Toyota. Thank you.